Hello and welcome to Cloud Learner's Journey of Azure Administrator Associate series of videos. We will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to pass the AZ-104 exam and become an Azure Administrator Associate. Our series of videos is designed to be easy to follow and understand, and we will explain each question in a clear and concise manner. Whether you are new to Azure or have some experience, this series is suitable for anyone looking to become an Azure Administrator Associate. To help you prepare for the exam, we will provide you with real exam questions and answers, as well as detailed explanations and references, which you can find in the description. This question will cover all the key topics that are covered on the actual exam and will help you to identify any areas where you may need additional study. We will cover the questions for managing and maintaining Azure's resources, including virtual machines, storage, and networking. We will also cover the Azure Active Directory, Azure Monitor, and other Azure services that are critical for managing and securing your Azure environment. By subscribing to our channel, you will have access to all the resources you need to prepare for the AZ-104 exam and achieve your goal of becoming an Azure Administrator Associate. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Cloud Learner's Journey and let's get started on your journey to becoming an Azure Administrator Associate. Thank you.